All right, battle of the enhancements. I'm gonna put this mic on the right way or a better way. All right, battle of the enhancements. It's really not a battle of the enhancements, to be honest. All these enhancements are good if you use them in the right way or in the way to make the enhancement work for you in the right situation. So I got these enhancements right here. Um, we got Tune 45, which is empty. We know why it's empty. It's a good enhancement. This company, this is a guy off of Instagram. It's like I think it's like XIIX or something like that. I'll see if I can put this in the down in the comment section or in the description. We got Flow. We got this one right. This I love being a barber. And we got Flow Permanent. We also got Kiss. Red by Kiss. This is the enhancements that you mix with alcohol. I think you mix it like an 80-20 and get it to like to come out of the spray gun real nice, and it works pretty good. All right. In my opinion, this is what I'm looking for in a good enhancement, right? In today's enhancement, I'm definitely looking for waterproof. I'm looking for the enhancement to not look real shiny when it dries. Um, I'm looking for the enhancement to be durable and to kind of look as natural as possible, or be easy to use so I can manipulate the enhancements to look as natural as possible. I started my enhancement journey with Kiss, but it was the original Kiss, I think. I mixed it with alcohol. I sprayed it out. It was good. It worked for that time. A lot of barbers still use that, and it works. A lot of barbers do a lot of good work with Kiss. Um, and then later on, I kind of moved to Tune 45. It's real good. It's not real shiny. If you mix it up real good, spray it out, it's not real shiny. It lays down nice. It looks nice. You can manipulate it to make it look natural. Put some fibers over the top. It's pretty good. I've been using Flow for about 3 months now. I like Flow a lot. I'm not gonna lie. I like Flow a lot. Um, Flow looks really good. It reminds me a lot of what I used to get out of my Kiss and alcohol solution. It's nice. I love this enhancement, to be honest with you. This top two for me. I love being a barber. I tried it this week, a little bit of last week, and just trying to see if it's waterproof. And I really don't like it. Maybe it's the color black brown that I don't like. Maybe if I just got black, I would have liked it better. I don't know, but I don't like it as much. But I will say I don't like it enough to not use it. I'll continue to use it, see if I like it. But for right now, it's something I keep in my drawer for like a bag up. But if I'm out, then I'll spray this. Flow Permanent. I like Flow Permanent. Honestly, you just gonna have to pay me to put this on you. It takes a lot of time. It's a process. You gotta let it sit. You gotta wash it out. You gotta do a couple things when you're using this Flow Permanent. You're gonna have to pay me to use it, which is what they meant when they made the product. I think this is what they did on purpose to make it an upsell from just a regular enhancement to the Flow Permanent enhancement. But this is my favorite enhancement. It's the XII. I'm gonna put it down. You will see. This is my favorite enhancement right now. I love this enhancement. Um, it don't take a lot. Pop, pop, pop. And it's on there. It's nice. It's waterproof. It lays nice. It's not too shiny. But sometimes it is shiny a little bit. You just put some topic over that to dull it out, make it look natural as possible. Fan that topic over it, and you got a great enhancement. This is my favorite enhancement. I'm comfortable with it. And when I tell somebody it's waterproof, when I'm using this product, I'm comfortable when I say, yeah, this is waterproof. You know what I'm saying? It's a very good product. I love this product. Um, I don't got an endorsement or anything. I don't got any type of um, QR code or link, but this is my favorite enhancement right now. My top three is this enhancement, Flow, and Tune 45. I love Tune 45. Tune 45 is always gonna be in my stable. Flow, I love Flow. I like to spray it on my brown guy, my guys with brown hair with lighter skin. I kind of put that Flow on them. It's nice. It breaks down. It feathers into the hair nice. It blends in. Looks natural. You can't beat it. These are my favorite enhancements. If you guys have anything to add to the conversation, any enhancement that I may have missed that I didn't add to this enhancement video, let me know. We will have an update in the future. Probably in a couple months, I'll buy another 6 types, or I wouldn't say 6, another group of enhancements, and we'll get them a try as well. But for right now, my favorite and my winner that I love and I spray with every day, you guys should try it. I think this guy's he's an influencer on on Instagram. Other than that, that's pretty much all for this video, man. I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. I'm gonna keep the videos coming out as much as I can. Appreciate you guys for commenting, like, and sharing my content. It means the world to me. I'm just a country boy, man, enjoying the game. I got some amazing things coming in the future. Just rock out with your boy.
Gator don't play no shit. You feel me?
I might pop a green and white, my vision red and blue. I'm fucked up beyond repair, I've been stuck in that mood. Give a snack to my little dog, I know what he gon' do. Slide that door, hop out that van, look just like Scooby-Doo. You know who they, you know what they, you know who they spook. I can show what we can do. Damn near everything beside pull out your wisdom too. Say the bag was up for grabs, I ain't got copper tone. Still gon' get these street my heart, I'm not an organ donor. Voices in my head say fuck it, we ain't gon' hog a Jonah. This shit here show in my face, I know they can tell. They'll hand me a match and some gas and wish me well. Knowing I really went through hell for that. Yeah, crashing for this shit. I'm gon' cash out on this iron. I can't cash out on no bitch. I adjusted my little mind. Blessings came, God assist. Pillar talking for some pussy. Get your family pistol wet. People tend to interfere until somebody disappear. I don't talk, listen here. For the record, engineer. I can show what drama do. I know what them slums will do. Holloway got more pictures of us than our mamas do. Throw that rock and hide your hand, I'll shoot that man in front of you. Monkey niggas, monkey suits, I show you what that jungle do. Monkey clips are up it. I don't like the tussle fool. This bitch come from Russia fool. I done spent too many nights with junkies on the corners. I done spent too many nights with fire when we were hungry. I got this shit mapped from A to Z to Arizona. Voices in my head say fuck it, we ain't gon' hog a Jonah. This shit here show in my face, I know they can tell. They'll hand me a match and some gas and wish me well. Knowing I really went through hell for that.